The SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB is here to revolutionize your gaming setup. Imagine being able to type out a victory message to your teammates, or quickly scroll through your favorite games menus without having to lift your fingers off the keyboard. That's what owning this keyboard can do for you. It's not just about playing games. It's about how you play them. This is more than just a gaming keyboard, though. It's built from the ground up with gaming-focused features like water resistance, 10-zone RGB lighting that lets you create stunning color schemes and reactive effects, and whisper-quiet gaming switches that give you nearly silent use for thousands of keystrokes. Plus, it has dedicated multimedia controls so you can adjust volume and settings on the fly. Let's dive in and explore some of these features up close. First off, there's the water resistance, IP32 rated to prevent accidental damage from liquid spills. That's right. No matter how messy your gaming session gets, this keyboard will keep going without a hitch. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about customization? Well, with 10-zone RGB lighting, you've got the power to create truly unique color schemes and reactive effects that enhance your gaming experience. Want to see what it means for you? It's like having an entire studio of lights at your fingertips. Every keystroke is a chance to unleash something new and exciting. And have I mentioned how quiet these switches are? They're whisper quiet, giving you nearly silent use for 20 million low-friction key presses. Imagine being able to focus on the game without distractions. That's what this switch can do for you, allowing you to immerse yourself in your gameplay like never before. Now let's talk about comfort. The premium magnetic wrist rest provides full palm support and comfort during long gaming sessions, keeping your hands rested and ready to play when they need it most. Last but not least, there are the features that tie everything together. Compatibility with Windows, Mac OS X, Xbox Series S, Xbox Series X, PS4, and PS5. Whether you're on PC, console, or even Mac OS, this keyboard has got you covered, ensuring seamless integration with your gaming setup of choice. So what does it all add up to? The SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB is more than just a gaming keyboard. It's your entry into next-level gaming, built for performance and designed with focus on the most essential features.